What if the foods on your plate could influence how clearly you think, how well you remember, and even how sharp you feel throughout the day? You've probably heard that certain foods are brain-boosting. But here's the truth. There's no magic food that suddenly makes you smarter. What actually matters is how certain nutrients support your brain over time. Your brain is incredibly energy hungry. It needs a steady supply of nutrients to help maintain brain cells, support communication between neurons, and protect against oxidative stress. So which foods deserve the hype? Let's start with fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA. DHA is an important structural component of the brain. Including omega-3 rich foods in your diet can help support normal brain function. Next, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other colorful berries contain compounds called flavonoids. These plant compounds have been studied for their potential role in supporting cognitive health. And unlike sugary snacks, berries give you fiber and beneficial plant nutrients at the same time. Then there are leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and broccoli provide folate, vitamin K, carotenoids, and other nutrients. A diet rich in vegetables is consistently associated with better overall health. And that includes the long-term health of your brain. But here's where things get interesting. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient your body uses to make acetylcholine, a chemical messenger involved in memory and learning. Eggs aren't a miracle food, but they can be a convenient part of a nutrient-rich diet. And don't forget nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and similar foods provide healthy fats, vitamin E, magnesium, and other nutrients. They're also easy to add to breakfast, salads, or snacks. Now for the biggest misconception. You do not need an expensive brain supplement to eat for better brain health. In fact, the bigger picture matters much more. A diet built around vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, fish, nuts, and other minimally processed foods is far more important than obsessing over a single superfood. And there's another factor people often ignore: sugar and ultra-processed foods. Eating them occasionally isn't the problem. The concern is when highly processed foods dominate your diet while nutrient-rich foods are missing. So the real secret to brain-friendly eating isn't one magical ingredient. It's consistency. Feed your brain a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Stay hydrated, exercise regularly, sleep well, and give your body the raw materials it needs every single day. Because the most powerful brain food may not be a single food at all. It may be the eating pattern you follow for years. And that's the truth about brain-boosting foods. Your brain doesn't need a miracle. It needs the right environment to perform at its best. This video is for general educational purposes and is not a substitute for medical advice.